Earn $300 plus typing names, $15 per page. Make money online 2022. I want you to picture that right now. What if typing names online could earn you up to $300 daily? How awesome it is really. This is exactly how it functions. Now you'll get paid if you type in a word or a name like Nishta, and if you type in a different name like Shriya, you immediately get rewarded again. This is such a fantastic opportunity, and this is how much money you can expect to make. You can make $15.5 and $75 if you submit a page containing names. So if you input 20 pages every day, you can make up to $300. The best part is that there is no cap. You can use as much of it as you like. You can carry out these actions on a PC, laptop, or mobile device. Let's get going now. Now that we know how much money we can make, use the calculator on this website to earn money with this brand new chance. As you can see, rate per word, which means how much money you can make per typed word. For instance, this name project here is actually page number 1, and this is page number 2 as well as page number 3. Additionally, each page has an overall word count of 300, so inputting names will earn you up to $15 for each page. This has excellent earning potential. The best thing is that you can easily make up to $300 daily because we can receive up to 20 pages each day by simply entering names on this website. First of all, here is the web page we'll be using today, talentdesire.com. Talentdesire.com offers free online work from home opportunities. This chance is entirely cost-free. To get going, you don't need any money or investments. You can see them giving various work from home opportunities. You can scroll down below, including online proofreading, freelance blogging, language translation, paid internet service, etc. You can work numerous different types of employment, but in this video, we'll concentrate on online writing jobs because they are among the highest paid and the simplest things you may perform on this website since they don't demand any prior experience or technical know-how. Watch it right now. You can make between $13,500 and $27,000 or more annually. In reality, it is a very good way for people worldwide to make money. Regarding the joining fees, you can see that signing up is completely free. Before and after joining, there are no unexpected expenses. Furthermore, they do not request investment from you. This chance is completely free and available to everyone. Depending on your level, from novice to expert, you can now view it over here. Various rates and a bonus specifically. You'll receive various rates. I'll offer you an extra tip right now to help you earn more money. So even if you're just starting out, you can get paid at an expert level. I'll demonstrate the tactic to you in a moment, and nobody else will be aware of it. I'll give you the extra few tips that can help you earn a greater rate right now because of this. Go to write2type.com, please. Now, this is their homepage, and you can take a free typing test by clicking this yellow button. It will then direct you to this page so you can begin typing. Additionally, this website offers you a certificate, which is why I want you to do the typing test. This post will walk you through the process of obtaining this certificate, which is free. A written certificate is necessary because it raises your pay per page rate. Make sure that you have this certificate if you want to be paid $15 for each page you write. The greatest kept secret is this, because you are still qualified for it even if you are new. If you convince them that you can write well, you'll be recruited far more quickly, land high-paying assignments, and have access to an endless supply of career prospects. In addition, you can earn up to $300 per day by entering names. This service now counts how many words you can type per minute as well as your accuracy, including whether you type spelling errors or types. You have to be in range. The more money you earn, the more accurate you are. You can demonstrate your typing speed and accuracy by taking one GET, a typing test and certificate on this website. And as a result, your payments per cent will be higher. I'll walk you through the process of obtaining this certificate in under 5 minutes, step by step. As you can see, they display my typing speed as soon as I finish typing. This is what I actually got. Don't worry if your accuracy or speed is less than 95%. You can return to write2type.com and retake the typing exam for free until you pass and attain the desired outcome. Once satisfied with the outcome, scroll down and click the link to create a free account. write2type.com. Simply enter your name, email address, and password to log in, and then click the register button after accepting their terms. You can now log into your brand new Write2Type account. Following that, your dashboard will appear as shown. You can see your name as well as how quickly and precisely you type. You can view your certificate here by scrolling down. To view it in a larger format, click on it. Write2type.com has signed this to attest the authenticity of the certificate, and as a result of it, you can get a considerably greater rate. Now, click the button below to print the certificate. You can also do it on your mobile device. So, don't worry, simply save the certificate as a PDF file or a picture. Once you arrive with your credential in hand, you may now submit online applications for writing jobs. Apply at talentdesire.com now. If you have just arrived at this page, scroll down to see step number 1. Click on the red Select Applications form link here. You then get direct to a website where you must click the red link labeled Online Registration Form once more. You will be directed to this page where you must click the link to the right. The sign up page will then be reached by doing this. This is a crucial step because so many people miss it. Now that you're online, I want you to choose employment as your chosen job title. Next, pick the time that works best for you. Simply click this button to get started. You can choose whenever you like, but I strongly advise choosing full-time work because it opens up more job choices and enables you to make more money online. Then select the most advantageous method of receiving your cash by clicking this button. You can use Skrill, PayPal, Payoneer, bank transfers, or direct deposits. Due to my personal preference for PayPal, I opt for PayPal. After that, please leave a comment below and let me know which type of payments you prefer. Additionally, I'll try to document it in the videos. Right here, you may choose your professional status. In my situations, I go with self-employed. Please read and accept the preceding statements after providing all the necessary informations. Don't forget to sign the document. It's as simple as typing your complete name here, checking the box that reads "I'm not a robot" and clicking the submit button. You can start receiving name orders like this one once you have been accepted. So that's it for the video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for further updates. Thanks for watching.